Did you know in 40,100 tons of waste that the Philippines are making, only 40% to 85% are collected and being thrown properly, whilst the rest are incinerated, being thrown to the open dumps or littered in the bodies of water.
There are many diseases that we can get from air and water pollution, like tetano, hepatitis A, asthma, and bronchitis. But it is not yet too late. We can still do it through zero waste movement. Zero waste movement is an advocacy that aims to broaden the process where the goal is to save our mother nature and to eliminate the high volume waste in our surroundings.
This is possible through the help of the G.R.R.R.R.R. First one is rethink. Let's look for our things that we always buy every day and the trash that it will accumulate. Let's find alternative ways to these things for us to be able to help our environment.
Second, refuse. Let's learn to limit ourselves to purchase things we don't need.
Thirdly, reduce. Let's reduce our use of disposable items or things that can only be used once. Next, reuse. Let's use things that can be used multiple times. Fourth, recycle. This is for the things that we won't be needing anymore. We can donate it to different recycling centers. The things that we don't find any use for can be a huge thing to others. The zero waste movement is not an instant solution. Instead, this is a new obstacle to pursue a new change in our lifestyles with the help of the 5 R's. Rethink, refuse, reduce, reuse, and recycle towards the clean and changed environment. That's why we should hold hands and be in this together with the Advocacy Zero Waste movement. With our help, we can make things possible, especially the clean and in order Philippines.